Ooh, come check this out with me. This beautiful Triton in pearly white. It comes with amazing accessories, as you can see here. Truly outstanding. This one really catches my eyes. And if we keep walking a little that way, you can see it contains 2 mountain bikes in the back. See? 2 mountain bikes in the back. But obviously, a Triton can contain way more than that. As I'm about to show you, we're gonna keep moving that way. Where in the next station, I'm gonna show you where we showcase the new Triton as the powerhouse vehicle. And oh, do you see this? We actually have a few campers here. Looks like a couple is having fun here. Hi, how are you? Good. Looks like they're having so much fun. Of course, and they have a Triton and a camp on top. Looks super fun. I would love to join them, but maybe some other times. Oh, I've got to say hi to this one. Hi. So we have a mine worker working here, probably working with a Triton, and he seems buff and powerful, just like our new Triton. Don't they look great together? They're a match. Bye. And moving on to the next zone, we are now at the Workhorse Zone. As you can see, the Triton can contain so many things in the cargo. And again, welcome to the Workhorse Zone. Hi.
So for this one, you can just open this one. And
oh yeah.
Just
oh, thank you.
It's from here too.
Yes, thank you so much.
You can open it yourself as well.
Got it. Thanks for joining us. Thank you. And yes, hello again. How are you?
I'm good.
Yes, so I just want to ask you, what is your favorite part about the Triton?
Yes, Triton is a good body for work too. Hi, I'm Yoshioka. I'm doing marketing.
So, I see you're holding a little something on your hand. What is your favorite part about the Triton?
Design with practicality.
Design with practicality. Do you maybe want to show us a little about the Triton?
Yes, I want to show you cargo space. You can load so many things at once. Look, a lot of fruits.
Yes, these are a lot of fruits. And I feel like you still want to show more about the Triton. Show me more, I want to know more.
Yes, come here. The side step is so wide and you will not slip, so you can easily get on this curve.
Wow, I feel like this is a very safe design, especially if you wear heels like me. I love to wear heels. This would be very safe for women like me who like to dress up to get on. This is very cool. Do you have another thing to show us?
Yes, just a moment. Interior is also cool. I have glove, but I can push this button easily. And the upper glove box is big enough to keep walkie-talkie.
Wow, amazing. Thank you so much. And let's get on to another zone. Bye.
Drive your ambition. Mitsubishi Motors.